guys, it's Clay Oliver with Dunes Real Estate. Welcome to our new listing at 956 Inverness Village here in Palmetto Dunes. Recently updated within the last couple of years. This 3 bedrooms, absolutely incredible. You won't want to miss it. Come take a look. This kitchen was completely opened up, so you've got a great view out to the golf course. Granite countertops, all new cabinets, new appliances. It's incredible. Multiple dining areas in this property. You've got an eat-in breakfast nook, bar seating off the counters, and a full dining table. You guys, so in the living room, you've got huge soaring ceilings, beautiful views out to the golf course, and your pavered back deck. On the first floor, not only do you have the master bedroom, but you also have an oversized guest bedroom that has its own ensuite and a great storage closet. So the primary bedroom's on the first floor here. The master bath is right when you come in on the right. And take a look at this bedroom, you guys. Incredible natural light. And you've got access out to the pavered patio area right here from your room. All right, you guys, let's head upstairs to the 3rd bedroom and loft. Let's go. All right, upstairs, you guys, we've got a loft here that they're currently utilizing as a work office and actually a Peloton room, which is pretty cool, but they've got a pull out here that you can use actually as a 4th bedroom if you'd like to. And just over here is the 3rd bedroom, which is, again, great size with a full bath up. So guys, thanks so much for coming and taking a look at our new listing here in Palmetto Dunes. If you'd like more information, give me a call at my cell, 843-422-8432. Have a great day.